So NVIDIA's recent Q2 FY26 numbers are pretty striking, with revenue at roughly $46.78 billion, which is up
Hmm.
56% year over year.
Wow, that's quite a jump. And it seems like their core driver is still AI and high performance computing, right?
Exactly. It's like they're really leading the full stack accelerated computing platform game with cutting edge GPUs, NVLink networking, and their robust CUDA ecosystem backing things up. That makes switching away
Yeah,
pretty tough for developers.
right. That platform lock-in really creates a high barrier to entry for competitors. But do you think the dependency on, say, huge capital investments might eventually become a weakness?
That's a fair point, but the thesis here emphasizes that big buyback authorizations and strong cash flow, like the $608 added to their repurchase authorization, help
Yeah,
balance that out.
I see what you're saying. And the margins seem rock solid too, with non-GAAP gross margins in the mid 70s.
Right, the margins, like the 72.7% reported, really highlight how efficient their pipeline is, especially with the ramp of the Blackwell architecture driving near term growth.
Absolutely.
Plus, the data center segment really steals the show with revenue around 41 billion.
And the mix is pretty diverse as well, from gaming to automotive, so it's not one trick pony, right?
Exactly. It's like they're diversifying into AI PCs, robotics, automotive, and more. The segmentation is detailed, with even OEM and Pro
Ah, indeed.
Visualization contributing. It shows the broad TAM they're tackling.
But here's a thought. What about the competitive threats from AMD and custom in-house accelerators at hyperscalers? Isn't that a bit concerning?
True, that's one of the key risks mentioned. Intensifying competition from AMD and in house solutions could chip away at their dominance.
Right.
However, NVIDIA's unmatched integration of hardware and software, plus their network effects from CUDA, still provide a significant moat.
And then there's the side of regulatory and export controls with China that could also throw a wrench into things.
Yes, absolutely, policy risks and supply chain concentrations are definitely in the mix. But overall, their disciplined capital returns and strong platform economics seem to underpin the long-term compounding case.
Yeah, that makes sense. And looking ahead, it seems all eyes are on how the Blackwell and Blackwell Ultra supply ramps manage, especially with hyperscaler capex cycles and networking growth metrics coming into play.
Exactly, it's all interconnected: Blackwell architecture, NVLink, and Ethernet adoption, even the enterprise AI demand around DGX Cloud, plus any regulatory
Hmm.
developments. It paints a pretty comprehensive picture of NVIDIA's future.